Best locks reviews. With home security evolving fast, the demand for smart locks is at an all-time high. Homeowners and renters are ditching traditional keys for keyless entry, biometric scans, and app-based control. Smart locks offer a seamless blend of safety and convenience. In this guide, we evaluate top-rated models based on build list number. Philips Wi-Fi Deadbolt Smart Lock with Handle. The Philips Wi-Fi Deadbolt Smart Lock is a premium all-in-one solution offering 5 unlock methods: app, voice, fingerprint, passcode, and physical key. Its built-in Wi-Fi eliminates the need for additional hubs, making setup straightforward. The handle and deadbolt combo provides robust security and a sleek, modern aesthetic. It's compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice unlocking and smart home automation. The fingerprint sensor is responsive and supports multiple users, while the passcode option offers anti-peeping technology. The lock also features auto lock and real-time activity logs via the app. List number: Philips Smart Lock with Handles Keyless Entry Door Lock Set. This smart lock from Philips combines contemporary design with top-notch security. It includes 2 lever handles and supports keyless entry via PIN code, fingerprint, and key. Though it lacks built-in Wi-Fi, it offers solid offline performance and is perfect for those prioritizing convenience and reliability without internet dependency. The lock is easy to install and fits standard US doors. It includes features like auto-locking, silent mode, and low battery alerts. The fingerprint sensor is fast and accurate. List number 3. Vase VE017L Fingerprint Smart Lock with Lever Handles. The Vase VE017L Smart Lock is an affordable, yet high-performing fingerprint-enabled lock set with dual lever handles. It supports keyless entry via biometric fingerprint, passcode, and backup key, providing multiple access options. The fingerprint sensor is responsive, recognizing prints in under 0.3 seconds, and can store up to 100 prints, ideal for larger households. The keypad includes anti-peep technology and allows timed code sharing, which is useful for Airbnb or guest access. List 4. Philips Wi-Fi Smart Door Lock Keyless Entry Deadbolt. The Philips Wi-Fi Smart Door Lock offers comprehensive smart access in a sleek, modern package. With built-in Wi-Fi, it provides app control, voice assistant compatibility, and remote access without needing a hub. Users can unlock doors using fingerprint, passcode, app, or backup key. The lock includes advanced safety features such as lock status monitoring, anti-peep technology. List 5. Yamari Keypad Smart Door Knob Lock Digital Lock with Handle. The Yamari Keypad Smart Door Knob Lock is a compact, stylish option for interior or light exterior use. It offers keyless access via PIN codes and comes with a physical key for emergencies. While it doesn't have app support or Wi-Fi connectivity, it focuses on simplicity and reliability. It's ideal for bedrooms, home offices, or rental spaces where full smart integration isn't needed.